Hello guys, nagpunta ako dito sa Christmas party ng APU Sword Fraternity Incorporation na ginanap mismo dito sa may Bonifacio Global City. At isang ang pagkakataon nito na magkita-kita kami uli ng aking mga alumni. At ito ang ginanap noong December 18, 2024. Napakasaya talaga ng araw na ito dahil yung mga alumni namin na nakatira sa malalayong lugar ay makikita na naman natin at magbibigay sa atin ng inspirasyon na nagdala sa kanila para magtagumpay. At dito ay makakakuha na naman tayo ng ideya kung paano sila nagtagumpay sa araw-araw na pamumuhay. At ngayon ay mga successful na sa kanilang mga profesyon. Ang iba dito ay nagsiservisyo sa gobyerno at ang iba naman ay nagsiservisyo mismo sa mga private corporation at may mismong business na mismo. Kaya itong pagkakataon mismo natin na makita natin at makalaupong palad itong mga hinahangaan natin ng mga brad and sister ng APU Sword Alumni Association. At ito nga ay tinawag na si Father Agonza na mag-lead na itong prayer para masimulan na itong ating event.
We come before you with grateful hearts as we are gathered to celebrate this Christmas season with our brotherhood of military service. Thank you for the gift of fellowship and for bringing us together in unity and purpose. We are deeply grateful for the presence of our special guests and for the unwavering support of the Board of Directors. Their dedication and contribution inspire us to continue our mission of service.
At dito ay kumanta na rin kami ng national anthem.
Lupang hinihang, tulad ka ng matiti, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisi, sa lahat puno, sa sikoy at sa langit mong baga, may hilagang tula, tawid sa panglayang hinahanay, ang isap ng matawad, tuwing tagumpay na naghihingi, ang ituwing at araw na kailan.
At dito naman ay si Sir Alvin Pitoco yung nag-lead o MC ng event.
For giving the opportunity to be the MC for tonight. I'm Alvin Remenares Pituco from class of 96. I was tasked by my national commander to be the MC for tonight's activity. At this juncture, may call on the national commander, Police Colonel Randy M. Silvio,
At bilang pagbukas na itong aming Christmas party, ito ay pinangunahan ng aming masipag na National Commander na si Police Colonel Randy Glenn Selvio.
Ang daming program niya, meron si Pai, meron si Sekjen, meron sabi ko, pinaka-konti na yung yan mo. So, thank you, Brad Pituco, no? Hindi ko na isa-isahin yung mga umaten. So, tatandaan ni Dave lahat ng mga umaten ngayon. Yan ang pag naging congressman si Dave in the future, malapit na yon. Yan na maalala niya. Yung absent, hindi niya maalala. Natulpo lang din. Sige. Please allow me to read this welcome message. It is my great pleasure to welcome each and every one of you to this year's Christmas party of APU Sword Fraternity ROTC Incorporated. Actually, last year, kasi wala namang pondo. But I think right now, meron ng funds tayo dahil sa fundraising, yung raffle draw. And hopefully, actually, masaya ko two things. I'm slated to second man of UCPD, no? Pero hinihintay ko yung order, sana matuloy, kung hindi matuloy. But ang policy kasi ngayon sa NCRPO, pag ni-recommend ka ng regional director, who was formerly kasama natin sa CIDG, buti na lang magaling ako mag-alaga ng mga boss. Kaya sabi niya, generally kita hanggat ako nandito. Thank you, sir. Parang ang bilis ng panahon. Sabi. Okay, to continue, this gathering is not just about fulfilling our purpose as an organization, but also about strengthening our band. Today, we come together for two important reasons. Actually, dalawa talaga to hold our General Assembly and yung Christmas party, where we align our goals, share updates, and ensure that we remain united in our purpose as brothers and sisters under the Sword Fraternity. Second, we celebrate the Christmas season, a time of joy, gratitude, and togetherness. Pag tumatanda na talaga, gusto palagi may party. No? Party tayo. Sige. Sabi ko, eto si Ma'am makulit kasi. Nag-commit na si Dave. Actually, nag-commit talaga siya nung outtaking natin di ba sa FEU. Sabi niya, he offered this office sa BGC. Imagine, nasa BGC kayo ito ang show window ng southern part of Manila. Nandito ang bulk ng trade and business. Like yung pinakita ni Brad Dave, parang hindi naman ako masyadong magaling sa IT but marami rin akong nagawa sa PNP when I was assigned in controller. And ngayon as SPD operation officer, no? Marami akong na-inject about ICT na kailangan i-develop ng buong PNP. So this Christmas party is an opportunity for all of us to take a break from our usual responsibilities, enjoy each other's company, and remind ourselves of the value of camaraderie, loyalty, and respect, values we hold dear in this organization. Actually, sir, si Dave, honorary member ng PNPA Class 97. So, under-pass ko siya sa ROTC, pero naging classmate ko. The friendship and shared vision that bring us together. As the saying goes, alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. And before I end, it is my honor to express my profound gratitude to Brad and classmate Dave Almarines and Ma'am Aramina for hosting this event. Sige, maybe talagang tulungan natin si Dave. And on my part, meron din naman tayong mga kaibigan from Mindanao. We will cascade your ano number nun?
119, sir.
119. Ganda parang ranger na mga class. Sige, at tutulong tayo. Kaya nakwento kay Dave yung patrol party list. Malaki yung role namin ni Sir Gilbert na regional director. Parang kami pinakamaraming na-deliver ng votes sa Region 13 at that time. So maganda kung maging masama si Dave doon at least may kakampi tayo. Especially yung magpo-promote ng ROTC, maibalik. Dahil may background siya sa military, sigurado malakas ang military police dyan. Diba? Bahala ka na Dave sa amin. Sir. Huwag mo na akong gawin chief PNP. Thank you. I encourage everyone to relax, have fun, and make lasting memories today. Let this event be filled with laughter, stories, and the spirit of brotherhood and sisterhood that defines us. Once again, welcome and enjoy the program. Merry Christmas to all of us. And thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir Glenn Silver, our National Commander. At this juncture, may I call on the host of tonight's activity, Sir Dave Almarines, Class of 95.
General Randy Silvio. Palakpakan po natin ang ating National Commander and all our upperclassmen and juniors. So, brothers and sisters, welcome to A-Force Ventures, our company. And kanina nakita nyo rin yung pickup, which is our newest baby that we've developed as a technology company. So it's our venture, me and my wife, with another co-founder. And this is for the service for the Filipinos na makatulong rin kami to really promote and give alternative or good competition versus a foreign entity like the competition. I will not name it. Hindi ko nabanggit yung pangalan, Grab. So, we welcome you to our humble but marami pong great memories though that we started this concept of this venture company sometime November 2019. And throughout, I started, marami sa inyo either nakasama ko or nung nandun tayo sa Cadete. Very great. I have all great memories nung lagi ko naaalala. So yun lang ang naaalala ko about FEU. Tumatak sa akin sa puso at isipan ko. All the great memories. Lahat ng mga struggles and challenges, lahat yung great memories sa akin. I am where I am right now because of lahat ng pains and challenges and those na-inspired ako. I took that as a challenge and where I am right now and would like to share that maging silbing inspiration rin to so many. And thank you for accepting my invitation, sir, and the members of the board and all the members of our fraternity. And when I was a cadet, lagi ko naririnig sa mga seniors during our time like that. No? So, I was the best, gusto ko best of the best na maging role model, company commander, became like the company commander of the Spearhead and many others. But towards the end, the most important is, you always help each other. Whatever we achieve, small, whether that be small or big, there's contribution and we help each other. So, and it's not all success. No? And over the period of 27 years that I've started it, there are mas marami yung failures and mas marami yung challenges sa buhay. It may seem like success to so many, but at the back of that, mas marami yung pains and struggles. Yung ending na lang yung nakikita. Pero hindi ko yun nararamdaman because pag nakakabahagi kami ng konting maliit naming konting success, and that is to inspire na pwede kahit sino ay magtagumpay sa anumang hangarin natin sa buhay. And regardless of the age, sir. Regardless of the age, what we actually would like to achieve in life, nothing is impossible. Hanggat kaya ng katawan natin, hindi naman tayo kakalayo. I just turned 50 this year. And, nothing is impossible. Don't lose hope. And it's not about tourism alone. It's about economic development, bringing progress, helping our military personnel and our PNP in the service.
Dito ay nagabot na yung APU Sword ng plaque of appreciation kay Sir Dave Almarines na naging siyang nag-host nitong event ng Christmas party ng APU Sword Fraternity Incorporation dito sa may BGC
as a member
Taguig.
aiding this association achieving its objective.
Hi, sir.
Sir.
1, 2, and 3. Isa ba, sir? Okay, sir. Thank you po.
Now, may you request everyone to have a photo opportunity.
1, 2, and 3. Isa po. 1, 2, and 3. Okay po.
Thank you po.
May you request everyone.
At ito na yung pinakamasayang part dito, yung kainan time na. Tara na, let's go na, let's eat! At hanggang dito na lang muna kabiyahe ang ating vlog ngayong araw. Pagkita kita tayo muli sa mga susunod ko na video. Bye-bye!